part 2. Today we'll be adding the roller wheels and a kickstand and a pull handle. When I say eyeball, I just mean figure out a size that'll fit. It's very subjective. Since this is a standard size barrel, you can just make yours like I made mine. I did the math for you. In retrospect, I regretted using this method. I've seen it on a lot of other people's YouTube videos and they made it look easy. And I assure you, it was a big pain in the neck. If I had to do this all over again, I'd just cut 2 long pieces, 2 short pieces, and weld them all together and call it a day. That would have been faster. You don't see the 3 pieces I messed up trying to figure out how to do this. So I don't really think it was worth it in the long run for a C+ quality project. you can see, I'm going back and forth between the vise and the barrel, putting a twist on the two tabs on the rounded portion to get them to lay flat. As you can see, I often have to get creative, having only one hand. In this particular case, I just used my feet to push down on a rope to hold the frame at the correct angle. When I first tried the barrel outside, it was way too tipsy, so I ended up welding 2 more kickstands on either side of this one to really make it so it felt stable in the grass. Classic trick, using my stomach to hold something in place temporarily. Thanks for watching part 2. You can see the extra kickstands in this short video I shot at the end of the project. Hope you enjoyed watching, and watch for part 3 next week.